statement. I have written, and before this, this is a A4 paper. What is the exact shape of the paper? What is this paper called?
Cuboid.
Rectangle?
Cuboid.
Is it rectangle? Actually, I started any topic with some examples, and then also, what is this?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Actually, the differences of 2D and 3D. 2D means only we can imagine. There is no any existence of 2D figure. Suppose if someone are having my photo, then he can touch only my photo, not me. That is, if you can touch anything, this is only 3D. And if you cannot touch, this is 2D. And if you are having this paper, this is 3D, because there is some height also. Similarly, if I have written 25% root under 25% equal to 5%, is it right?
No.
Where is the misconception? What is the misconception there? He or she has solved this diagram. If I am going to solve this, 25% equal to what percent? That is 5 by 10. And in order to convert any number into percentage, have to multiply by 100. This becomes 50%, not 5%. Again, we know that if powers are same, base are same. So if someone says 8 to the power 0, 10 to the power 0 equal to 1, that is, both are same. Their powers are same. Then their bases are same also, 8 equal to 10. Is it right?
No.
Then what are the misconceptions here?
This is valid other than the power 0.
Actually, this is valid only and other than 0.
Greater than
Again.
1 के लिए.
What is the square of 4? Someone is writing plus minus 2. Is it right?
No.
It is positive
It will be only,
because sign already we are positive.
it will be positive.
Positive.
Root 4 is positive. Because here we are taking the principal value of 4. If there is symbol of root, it will be always positive. And if I ask to someone, find square root of 16, then what will be the answer? Square root of 16 is? Because we will go for definition always. And what does it say definition? Square means any number multiplied to itself give the same number. That is, plus 4 into plus 4 will give 16, minus 4 into minus 4 will give 16. So, square root of 16 is plus minus 4, and if you write in the symbolic form, that will be only positive. So, now I have a PPT for this misconception and common errors from the chapter real numbers. The first one is Euclid's lemma valid for only prime number. It is a misconception. Why? Because it is correct for all. Now, LCM into HCF equal to LCM into LCM equal to product. Is it always right? Why? It is right for two numbers. We have a number like 2, 4, 8. What is the LCM of this? 8. LCM of this? 2. LCM into LCM, 8 into 2 is 16. And after multiplying this, 64. So it is valid only for two numbers. And there is an error to find whether it is terminating or repeating. In case of polynomial, zeros equal to coefficient Both are different. What is 0? 0 is our number is satisfied at 1. And what is coefficient? It is just an associate of that variable. Degree equal to number of zeros always. Degree is greater than equal to number of zeros.
Repeated zero means that line is
In case of linear equations, lines always intersect once. It is a misconception. Why?
Because they make it infinity.
There are three options. It may either one side, it may be either parallel or intersecting as a one. Quadratic equations. D negative but roots real. If D is negative, then roots are not real. Factorization always possible? No, because sometimes you will use formula for finding alpha and beta if you are not getting factorization. Sign errors, common errors. Misconceptions of sequence and if what is difference between sequence and AP? What is difference between sequence and AP? Sequence and AP we get answer.
In sequencity and in some definite rule.
no basic thing is
But
that
in
sequence is sum of the series.
No,
No.
I am about sequence and
sequence follows some definite rules.
okay.
And if common difference in two. Suppose 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, it's a sequence.
This is a sequence. No, this is AP.
No.
This is a sequence.
Yes.
Yes.
4, 9, 16. Will determine that? No.
It is a sequence of
Followed by
Formula,
square
but
up.
we do not have a fixed formula
Yeah.
to get in next term. Immediate next term. we
sequence
get-
means where the difference between any two consecutive terms is
Not.
same, constant.
That is specifically for AP.
AP.
Knowledge for it.
AP. Sequence is AP.
You can better tell progression and then AP.
No, I thought that sequence and AP, difference between sequence and AP. Because the chapter is
What is a sequence series?
series का सब लोग sequence
Some other thing.
series
Thousand आपको कॉमा से सेपरेट करके लिखा और एक्सप्रेस
AP में होता है कॉमन डिफरेंस है होता है सीक्वेंस में कुछ भी हो सकता है
ये रूल्स के साथ
रूल सब में है ये वहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है
यहाँ कॉमन डिफरेंस
जीपी में अलग रूल है एचपी में अलग रूल है इसमें अलग रूल है
बेसिकली प्रोग्रेशन होता है आपके अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स में भी ये मेंशन
हाँ
है
मैथमेटिक्स
ऑपरेशन
प्रोग्रेशन में आप स्पेसिफिकली जाते हैं तो ये आ गया आपका
एपी में क्या होता है डिफरेंस कौन सा होता है डिफरेंस बाकी जीपी में मल्टीपल है ट्रायंगल्स congruent triangles are similar
Congruent triangles are similar.
congruent triangles are similar and similar okay two figures circle both have equal area and equal circumference
No.
they will have same area and same circumference make possible okay can we reverse x and y in chapter circles tangent touches multiple points
No.
it touches only one point if our tangents are drawn from an external point for circle are unequal
Yes.
no it is equal
Not from a point.
from a fixed point पे ऐसे सर्कल पे दो टेंजेंट दोनों का tan
From fixed one, not
हाँ.
from here.
What is difference between area and circumference? Area and perimeter.
It is the circumference the length of.
What is difference between area and volume? Okay. What is difference between area and volume?
Volume is the space occupied by an object. Space occupied by
Volume is the space occupied by object.
Area is
and
the
area
region.
is the region enclosed by
a figure, closed figure.
Okay, now I will asking some question. You will have to find where is the misconception.